Hello students, in this video I will teach you about styles group and editing group of Home tab. So let's start learning the options of styles group and editing group. This is my already created text document, and as you know that in part 1 I have explained the options of font group, and in part 2 I had explained the options of clipboard group and paragraph group. The link of part 1 and part 2 I have given in description. If you want to learn about part 1 and part 2, you can go to description and click on that links. Today in this video I am going to explain the options of styles group and editing group. Okay, so let's start. See, as I am moving the cursor on different styles, the changes are appear in the paragraph where the cursor is blinking. If I will bring the cursor in second paragraph, then the changes will be in second paragraph only. So from here you can select some more styles, and if you want to change the styles of whole paragraph, whole document, then use Ctrl plus A key from keyboard and select the whole document and apply the style which you want. Okay, then here change styles option, you can see some more styles are here. You can apply to your whole document. Okay, then color you can change, then font type you can change from here, and paragraph spacing if you want to change, you can change from here. Okay, then in editing group you can see the first option is find. If you will click here, then you will get two more options: find, advanced find, and go to. So click on find and type the word here which you want to search in your document. So I am going to type the word the. So the number of times the occur in the document will be displayed on the screen. Okay, then next is replace. Sometimes we want to replace any word in our text document, so we can use this replace option and select the word which you want to replace. I am selecting here styles. Then write the word which we want to give in our document. So here I am going to change the word style with format. So here 4 times styles word is appear in the document. So I will click on, if you will click on replace, then it will replace the selected word. If you will click on replace all, then all the words, that is styles, will changed with format. See, everywhere the style word is changed with format. So in this way you can use find and replace options. Then next is select all will select whole document, and select objects. So objects, here you can see no objects are there in this document, so I will insert some objects. About this I will teach you in next video. So here two objects are there. If I will select the object, then I can use select object option. Now see, this object is selected. If I am clicking in the text, it is not selecting. So in this way we can use to select the select object option. So to remove this selection, you have to double click anywhere in the text document. Then next option is select all text with similar formatting. So here I am changing the formatting. I am making it italic, and here I am making bold. So if the cursor is in the text which is bold, and if I will click here, then it will select only bold text. If the cursor is blinking in the text which is italic, then only this text will select. Here whole document. So in this way we can use this select text with similar formatting options. So practice this options of clipboard group, font group, paragraph group, styles group and editing group of Home tab. So in 3 parts I have covered all the topics of Home tab. You can practice to learn this option. Thank you for watching this video. God bless you.